We turn to the coronavirus here in the U.S. and the new evidence from the CDC and what it reveals about young children in school and in daycare across this country and how the virus can be spread and brought home with them. The virus has now taken more than 192,000 American lives, and that new CDC report tonight, just as schools reopen. And a reality check here this evening on just how effective any vaccine might be, what Dr. Anthony Fauci is now saying about a vaccine, and when this nation could truly get back to normal. Here's ABC's Marcus Moore tonight.
As schools and daycares reopen their doors, new evidence young children can transmit COVID-19. A CDC study identifying 12 children thought to have been infected at child care centers who went on to infect 12 others, including parents and siblings. 6 months after the coronavirus was declared a pandemic, Dr. Anthony Fauci warning of the long road ahead.
If you're talking about getting back to a degree of normality which resembles where we were prior to COVID, it's going to be well into 2021, maybe even towards the end of 2021.
Dr. Fauci says it could take that long before the majority of the population can get protected by any new vaccine, adding he'd be surprised if we had a vaccine like the one for measles, which is 97 to 98% effective.
I would accept a 70 to 75% effective vaccine, which means you still have to have a component of public health measures.
Dr. Joseph Verone has been working around the clock on the front lines at Houston Methodist. He worries about COVID mixing with flu season.
My concern is that within the next few weeks, we're going to have another wave. And unfortunately, that's going to be a COVID that's going to come in with a vengeance.
And with winter coming, the risk of indoor spread is greater. Cities like New York and Miami now moving towards indoor dining.
If you go indoors in a restaurant, whatever capacity, 25, 50%, or what have you, indoors absolutely increases the risk.
As outbreaks pop up across college campuses, new research suggests young adults may be at greater risk for COVID complications than previously thought. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found 1 in 5 sick enough to be hospitalized needed intensive care. 1 in 10 needed a ventilator. Outside Dallas, 29-year-old hockey coach Tyler Ambergy losing his life to COVID.
I just want him to be remembered for more than just a person that passed away from COVID.
And David, there may be a silver lining as we enter flu season. The same things we need to do to protect ourselves from COVID-19, wearing a mask and social distancing, can also help protect us from the flu, another virus, along with the flu vaccine, of course, David.
Yeah, they're hoping for a silver lining that the mask will help protect against the flu, too. Marcus, our thanks to you again tonight.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.